Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule messages on WhatsApp, the auto send feature. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to open the WhatsApp business and tap the three dots. And in the top right corner, go to the settings. Then, click the business tools and click the away message. Then, toggle on. Then, click the send away message. Type your custom message and set a specific schedule like always, custom hours, or outside business hours. Then choose who received the message, like everyone, contacts, or custom list, and click save. And this work for auto replies and rescheduled greetings during off hours. And for the iPhone users, the iOS lets you use a shortcut apps to automate the WhatsApp message for delays. So just open the shortcut apps and tap automation. Then choose time of the day or message receive and select action. Send message via WhatsApp. Set up the message and recipient, and you may need to confirm sending manually depending on your iOS version. And for the Android users, you can use a SCED-IT or third-party app. For personal WhatsApp account, you just use it. Just download the SCED-IT from the Play Store and sign in and choose WhatsApp and enable the accessibility permission and done. The app will auto send your message at the set time. And tips for scheduling a success. Keep your phone unlocked and for business, stick to official WhatsApp business tools. And that's how you schedule messages on WhatsApp in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.